So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit video opacity here in Alight Motion. So once you have your video selected, if you wanted to edit the opacity, select the video right here. Bunch of different options right here, but I want you to go to where it says blending and opacity and select that. Once you're here where the bar says 100%, you can go ahead and slide this to the left if you want to make it more. In regards to the opacity, you can also slide it more solid this way, and basically you can play around with it this way to make it more transparent or less transparent depending on what you're looking for here. So if that looks good, you can go ahead and do this way. There's more options down below, but if you want to just edit the video opacity, slide this bar and select whatever you want to select. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to edit video opacity in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.